Welcome to AllFreePik tutorials. Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to create modern polka dots pattern background in Adobe Illustrator. Rectangle tool, shortcut M. Draw a horizontal box shape. Line segment tool, shortcut slash. Draw lines using with the line segment tool. You can adjust lines with the selection tool, shortcut V. Shape Builder tool, shortcut M. Use Shape Builder tool to divide shapes. Click on shape for divide shape using with Shape Builder tool. Use direct selection tool to select shapes and go to edit menu and clear. Outline color none. Give different light shade colors to the shapes. Select shapes and go to edit menu and copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. Give bright colors to shapes. Group Ctrl G. Ellipse tool Ctrl L. Draw a circle. Swap fill and stroke Shift X. Stroke weight 3 point. Select circle shape and drag with Alt key for duplicate circle shape. Ctrl D for repeat duplicate shape. Group Ctrl G. Outline color white. R 255, G 255, B 255. Go to Windows menu and Path Finder. Shift Ctrl F9. Select shapes and click on Divide in the Path Finder panel. Select circle shape and go to Select menu and Same and Stroke Weight. Go to Edit menu and clear. Again, select circle fill shape and go to Select menu and Same and Fill Color. Deselect background shape. Click again on Shape for deselect. Go to Edit menu and clear. Group Ctrl G. Go to Effect menu and Stylize and Drop Shadow. Mode Multiply. X offset 1 pixel and Y offset -1 pixel. Blur 2 pixel. Align panel Shift F7. Click on Vertical Align bottom in the Align panel. Finally, your Polka dots pattern is now ready. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create seamless dots pattern in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.